Welcome to this lecture video. In this class, we are going to discuss about the previous class we discussed borrowed virtual time, right? So continue to that borrowed virtual time. So virtual time is nothing but we have discussed what is virtual time and other things in the last classes. So in this borrowing virtual time from the future CPU. So in this how the cloud environment helping the CPU resource allocation for the by borrowing virtual time. So here workload complexity, scheduler, then performance impact. So based upon these three things, we can have some challenges in the scheduler. Scheduling the process one by one. So the threads, we all know about what is thread. Thread may be a single thread, and multi-thread, and different threads. So here, coming to BVT. BVT is nothing but borrowed virtual time, right? So BVT is borrowed virtual time. It allocate the time from future CPU allocation. So that is we call the CVT. So the main agenda of this borrowed virtual time is wrapping for the latency. Wrapping is nothing but we can reduce the time and resource allocation in the continuous things. So that we are going to discuss here. So one thing we have to discuss, the main concept here is the weighted CPU silent. That is WCPU. Weighted CPU silent is some resource allocated in the CPU. It will be in the busy stage. So that will be a weighted CPU sharing here. So and will coming to this map drivers and workloads, workload in the cloud environment. So how suppose we are developing any process, completing and delivering to the customer. So the kind of projects will be used by a customer. So the quality must be ensured by customer. If the quality is poor, the customer will be unsatisfied. For example, we are providing a cloud environment, things in the kind of Netflix, kind of any other cloud resources, cloud projects. So that will be used by the users. The clarity and quality of service will be poor. So the customer will be not satisfied. So that will be again a headache for the provider or for the company, those who are developing these things. So we have to maintain the quality. So in this cloud environment, the scheduling is one of the important concepts. In that borrowed virtual time helping to maintain the time management, allocating each resources at for a particular time. It will reduce the wastage of virtual time. So that may help in the improving quality in your service. So cloud environment is nothing but is providing a quality of service. Cloud providers will helping these kind of projects in some other place. So here challenges and other things going to discuss here. So what is BVT we have discussed in this class. Next, how BVT works. So we are working out BVT. BVT working is the virtual time clock. It is the time clock in the CPU. It's a virtual. The time taken to complete any process that we call as virtual time clock. And borrowing mechanism is the main working of this BVT. So borrowing the time, latency sensitive threads can be temporarily decreased due to their virtual time. So why? Because allowing them to gain preference scheduling and executing sooner. So this is the borrowing mechanism. It's a concept here. It will borrow the virtual time from the other process, so it will allocate to the next process. So it may help in the quick unwanted wastage of time. So fairness, restoration, and we have the advantages while scheduling the different kind of process in a continuous manner. So that is the thing we are talking here. traditional things is as real-time scheduling. So in this class we have discussed few things here about the VVT is a new technology using the cloud computing compared with the previous traditional real-time scheduling. Thank you all.